Hello students, today we take few examples by shortcut method. These few examples are from chapter integration. In this lecture we take integral of the form integration of dx upon a plus b cos x, integration of dx upon a plus b cos x, where a greater than b. A is a constant term and b is a coefficient of cos x. Denominator contains first term constant and second term contains cos x with a certain coefficient, and condition is a greater than b. If a greater than b, then integration of dx upon a plus b cos x, integration of dx upon a plus b cos x equal to 2 upon square root of a square minus b square, 2 upon square root of a square minus b square. A is greater than b and square root cannot be negative, therefore subtract from number higher number a square and lower number b square, but lower number is subtracted from higher number, therefore a square minus b square into tan inverse of a minus b root a minus b upon a plus b, root a minus b upon a plus b, bigger minus smaller upon bigger plus smaller, root a minus b upon a plus b into tan of x by 2. Why there is a tan x by 2? Because all such types of example are solved only by putting tan x by 2 equal to t or t equal to tan x by 2. Why there is a tan x by 2? We know that formula of cos x is 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus formula of cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, and then put tan x by 2 equal to t. Hence answer contains tan x by 2. Now formula is simple. Another formula is integration of dx upon a minus b cos x. Integration of dx upon a minus b cos x. In this case also a is greater than b, but there is a minus sign. If there is a minus sign, then first part is same. First part is 2 upon root a square minus b square, 2 upon root a square minus b square into tan inverse of square root. Terms in this square root are inverted. Square root a minus b upon a plus b, in this formula square root a plus b upon a minus b. Again, then there is tan of x by 2 plus c. Now we solve one example of each these types. First example is integration of 1 upon 3 plus cos x, 3 plus cos x equal to answer नंतर लिहा. a equal to 3, b equal to 1, therefore a greater than b, a greater than b, a greater than b, and there is plus sign, then use this first formula. Therefore I equal to 2 upon root a square plus b square, a square 3 square 9 plus b square, a square plus b square, a square 3 square 9 minus b square 1 into tan inverse of root a minus b upon a plus b, 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 into tan of x by 2 plus c. Therefore answer is 2 upon root 8. Root 8 is 2 root 2 into tan inverse of 3 minus 1 2, 3 plus 1 4, 2 upon 4 1 upon root 2 into tan of x by 2 plus c. This is the final answer. Now we take another example, example 3. Now example 3 can be solved. Example 3 is 1 upon 5 minus 4 cos x. A is 5, B is 4, and A greater than B, but there is a negative sign. आणि निगेटिव्ह साईन असेल तर हा सेकंड फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा. कुठला सेकंड फॉर्म्युला? हा सेकंड फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा. देअरफॉर I इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन रूट a square minus b square. A square 25 minus b square 16 into tan inverse of, again there is a tan inverse, but square root contains a plus b upon a minus b. 5 plus 4 upon 5 minus 4 into tan of x by 2 plus c equal to, final answer is 25 minus 16, 9, square root of 9, 3 into tan inverse of 5 plus 4, 9, square root of 9, 3, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 5 minus 4, 1, square root of 1, 1 into tan x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Thus, in this example, in this type, these two examples are solved within few seconds, within 30 seconds. But condition is formula must be remembered. Formula is very important. If you make formula perfect by revising it again and again, then and then only this method can be used. Therefore, all the students try to solve remaining two problems, problem number 2 and problem number 4, by using this method. If you understand this trick and technique, then please subscribe my channel Suez Classes, YouTube channel Suez Classes, for your notifications of upcoming videos. Also see video completely, कंप्लीट व्हिडिओ पूर्ण होईपर्यंत बघा. अपूर्ण अर्धा बघू नका. अर्धा बघितल्यानंतर काही कळणार नाही. शेवटपर्यंत व्हिडिओ बघा. फक्त बघायचं म्हणून बघून का उपयोग होणार नाही. Also, if you like video, then press like button. Thank you.